Good morning everyone, and today I'm at the Clare Glens Waterfalls on the Annagh River on the Tipperary-Limerick border. It's been several months since my last video, which was back in September. In response to the worsening situation regarding COVID in Ireland, the country was put in lockdown in mid-October and has been in lockdown ever since, with the exception of December. It's only recently, mid-April, that the restrictions are starting to be eased. Also, since my last video, I got a new DSLR camera, a Nikon D5600, and I'm making this segment of the video with it right now. My last camera was a D3000, which I had since 2010. Long story short, this is a step up from the D3000. In terms of image size, 24 megapixels as opposed to 10 megapixels. New features like live view, tilt and turn display, and making videos. Now I do note that some YouTubers are using mirrorless cameras and are taking a liking to them. I could have done the same, but I decided not to. Apart from the fact that these are much more expensive than the SLR cameras, there's also the matter of lens compatibility. I have a few camera lenses in my bag, including telephoto, wide angle and prime lenses, and I want to be able to use these in the new camera. I couldn't have used them with the mirrorless. Okay, we have now arrived at the river, and I've been here several times before, so I know there's plenty of places along the river that present themselves as good photo opportunities. You just have to keep an eye out for them, while at the same time keeping yourself and your equipment safe. Now, I also note that the river banks can be mucky in places, especially in wet weather, which is why proper footwear won't go astray here. 2 weeks before filming for this video took place, a 5k travel limit which had been enforced since the start of this year was replaced with a county boundary limit. This means travel anywhere in the county is now permitted. With that in mind, I'm planning a few videos for the next few weeks whilst this limit is in operation. In the meantime, we just need to have faith that the worst of this pandemic is in the past, and that's where it's staying. Here's where I'm going to end this video. You should head over to my Flickr page where you'll see plenty of images that I've taken down the years in what you could call a mixed bag. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Anyway guys, thanks for taking the time to watch, and hopefully I'll see you all again in the next one.